Welcome to Gayatri's Cookspot. I am Gayatri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make Indian bakery style eggless rava cake recipe. This is a soft, dense cake which is mildly sweet and can be served with a cup of coffee or tea. First, preheat oven to 180 degrees centigrade. In a bowl, mix together rava and maida. Add curd and milk and mix until well combined. Add the remaining milk. And vanilla essence and mix. Set this mixture for about 30 minutes so that the rava soaks up all the liquid. Prepare a square cake tin and line the bottom and set aside. Beat butter until creamy. Add in condensed milk. And beat until well combined. Condensed milk gives a rich taste to the cake. This is very mildly sweet, so if you like sweeter cakes, add some sugar to it. Add baking powder and baking soda to the rava mixture and mix well. Add this to the condensed milk mixture and beat until well combined. Pour this batter into the prepared cake tin. And bake for 35 to 45 minutes in the preheated oven. Do not overbake the cake because it will become rubbery. Check with a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, the cake is done. Flip it onto a wire rack, tap it gently and remove the tin. As this is a denser cake, this doesn't rise so much, so use a smaller cake tin. Remove the lining paper and allow the cake to cool completely before slicing it. Use a serrated knife to make the slicing easier. Look at the crumb, it's so beautiful. It's denser and it's tight crumb. Enjoy it with a cup of coffee or tea. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel to receive updates. Thank you.